In this video, we're going to go over chain rule. If y is a function of u and u is a function of x, then the y over the x is equal to the y over the u multiplied by the u over the x. This is called the function of a function, or chain rule, or composite rule. For example, if y is equal to 4x minus 3 all raised to the power of 7, we say let u equal to what? All this function, which is 4x minus 3, then y is equal to what? U raised to the power of 7. By the time we differentiate u in respect to x, that is, we have the u over the x is equal to what? It's equal to 4. If you differentiate u in respect to x, we have 4. Then this is a constant, automatically is 0, so we're left with what? 4. Then differentiate this y, we have the y over what? The x equal to what? You should drop the power and minus 1 from the power. We have 7u is the power of what? Is the power of 6. So now we have our what? We have our du over the s, and we have our dy over du. Now we can compute them. Dy over the x is going to be equal to, what's our dy over the x? Is 7u raised to the power of 6 multiplied by du over the x from the formula. So we have 4. So it's equal to 4 multiplied by 7. We have 28 u raised to the power of 6. That's not all. We'll now go back and what? Impute, because initially we said let u to be what? Equal to this. So we're going to put our value of, we're going to put the value of u. So our dy over the x is equal to 28 4x minus 3, because of our u, there's the power of what? 6. This is the final answer. This is how you can solve a chain rule. Let's go over more examples and see how we can solve. And I'm not going to be using the formula again. I'm going to be solving it directly. So example 1, we have 3x plus 4 all what? Is the power of cube. So remember, in chain rule we said it's what? A function of a function. So in chain rule, by the time you drop the power and you reduce 1 from the power, you're going to what? You're going to differentiate what is in the bracket. Let's see how it works. We're going to see, by the time you drop the power, we have 3, then 3x plus 4 minus 1 from the power is going to be what? 2 multiplied by what's in the bracket, derivation of what's in the bracket. So we have 3. 4 is a constant, so it's 0. So by the time we multiply this 3 and this 3, we have 9 open bracket 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 2. This is the final answer. Let's keep solving. Example 2. Let's say we have we have 4x minus 1 close bracket raised to the power of 7. I'm still going to use the same method. Here we'll see you drop the power first. 7 open bracket 4x minus 1, then minus 1 from the power. We have 6 multiplied by the derivation of what is in the bracket, because it's a function of a function. Function of what? Of a function. Where you have a function in another function. So 4x minus 1, we have just 4. Yeah. So what is 7 multiplied by 4? So multiplied by 4, we have 28. So 28 open brackets 4x minus 1 is power of what? 6. That is it. Very easy. Let's keep solving. Let's look for more difficult questions. Suppose you're given a trig function. You have cos 2 sine. This is also a function of a function. What is the derivation of cos y equals to? So the y over the x is going to be equal to cos is minus sine 2x. Then what will differentiate this angle, this 2x, multiplied by what? By then we differentiate 2x, we have 2. So our dy over the x is equal to minus 2 sine 2x. It's a bit simple.